Hey everybody, welcome to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations. I'm Gandharva. Please remember, share these videos every day. Share them with your friends, share them with your family, share them with your neighbors, share them with your wife, your husband. Share them, like them, love them. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please, if you are able, contributions are greatly appreciated. Thank you. So today and every day, we're here every day. It's been about a year and a half of every single day exploring the vibrations so that we can know ourselves in a deeper way. When we tune into the vibrations of the day, we tune into who we are on that day. Because we're different people on different days, believe it or not. Monday is today. Monday is the devotional quality. Bowing down, surrendering, giving the heart. And what opens the heart? What touches the heart? As I've said before, you should know this if you've been watching on Mondays. What touches the heart? What expands the heart? That's right. Stories. That's why every country, every spiritual tradition has storytelling as a part of it. The Sufis, the Native Americans, the Hindus, everybody has a storytelling tradition. And I'm going to read a couple of stories today from the Sufi tradition. Stories of Mullah Nasruddin. And I'll play the vibrations of the day. Mullah Nasruddin put himself in the race for the hotly contested post of town mayor. After making a rousing speech at a rally, he asked the crowd if they had any questions. I have one question for you, sir, said a man. Do you drink alcohol? That depends, replied Nasruddin, on whether my answer leads to disqualification or an invitation. On the day of the election, Nasruddin was bitterly disappointed to learn that his opponent had won the post by a small margin. I am a victim, he complained to his friends. A helpless victim. A victim? A friend asked. Of what? What are you a victim of? I am a victim of accurate counting. Master Dean was taking a shortcut home through the cemetery, where a burial was in progress. As he walked past the group of mourners, he overheard one of them saying, "Today is a sad day for us all. We have buried an honest man and a politician." A sad day indeed, Nasruddin thought to himself. I didn't realize that the situation was so dire that they are now compelled to bury two people in the same grave. So today, open your heart. Open the heart. And say, I connect with the devotional vibration in my blueprint. I connect with the devotional vibration in my blueprint. I connect with the devotional vibration in my blueprint.